Audio tip. Use external microphones to drastically improve audio quality in your YouTube shorts. Fun fact: cute animals never go out of style. Share your pet's antics on YouTube shorts. Did you know? Authors and book enthusiasts are using YouTube shorts for book recommendations. Monetization fact: YouTube Shorts does not directly monetize through ads, but creators can earn through the YouTube Shorts Fund. Creativity tip: use color grading apps to make your YouTube Shorts visually striking. Thanks for watching this video. I have prepared 15-module complimentary course on the topic exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses. Grab your copy by clicking the link given in description. And don't forget to like and share this video and hit the bell icon so you can get all updated videos in future.